2009 Nissan Altima. We're gonna replace the belt. So jack the car up, put on jack stands. First thing you're gonna do is pull this out. Sits like that. That little lip. It's kind of a process to get in. You're gonna kind of pull it in, pull it down. It's got these little clips on it. These things, you need to have 2 or 3 points on each side. If you just stick a 5 screwdriver on one side, you're gonna crack them. So I take my 2 needle nose. I stick 2 of these, and you just want to put pressure on 2 sides of them and just pop them open easy. If you break them, order some new ones. And then come down here. So the first thing I do is find my belt. The part number, and then I do I'll just draw my power steering is on this side. So this is crank, power steering, water pump, AC, and alternator. So the belt is going in, up. Right, comes all the way up at AC, and then it goes back down under the water pump and curves to the power steering. So under the water pump to the power steering, and it comes back, gets on a tensioner, and then back on a crank. And they all kind of do the same thing, but man, every once in a while you just like take it off. If you don't do this, I guess you could Google it nowadays, but it's easier that way. I just get down here with this wrench, all sorts of stuff you can use, but so it's a 2-handed thing. So you open it up, and then use your other hand to. I take him off like the AC down here in the bottom. And then slowly release the tensioner. And then fish your belt out. Give the power to back steering. Okay, that's the alternator. And here's all the cracks. And then put it on reverse. And that's it.